This is the Panasonic 1632. This is the key fob for Toyota Prius 3rd generation. This is a little button that you can press that says push. This is the manual key that is released when you press that button. This is the slot that you can stick that key in and twist. This is a clamshell that opens up, and if you put it face down, the back facing towards you, all the guts don't fall out on the table. If you use the manual key, you might have a little trouble getting the battery out, but if you use eyeglasses or a pocket screwdriver, pop that sucker right out of there. Now, it seems that every package in the world now requires an act of Congress to get it open. So I have these special, really heavy-duty scissors, and I'm trying not to damage the battery when I get it out. And that leaves sharp edges there too, so be mindful of that. Then this, which I really should be wearing gloves so I don't get handle all over this battery, goes down in here. And this little clamshell goes back on here. And look, manual key back in there. And voila, done. Brand new battery in the key fob, Toyota Prius. That quick, that easy. It would have taken me a lot longer to take it somewhere and pay somebody to do it. These are super cheap. I'll put a link in the description. Insanely cool cars, tool reviews, and auto repair videos.